Hi, this is Mi Robot Vacuum Mop Essential with 16 core functions, exclusive for small and medium-sized houses. Integrated sweeping and mopping, double cleaning, 3-layer filtration, 4-level suction power. Convenient app control. I am clever and diligent, cleaning deep into crevices, leaving dust nowhere to hide. Real-time mapping lets you know me better. A variety of ways to help you better. I remember every path I have taken before. Every corner I touch. Know what can be taken away. Clean the important areas carefully. I can take care of myself, charging myself and continuing to sweep. Avoiding danger just to stay with you longer. No corner is left missed. I will be your little bee, make your home neater, letting you feel more comfortable. I'm Mi Robot Vacuum Mop Essential. Remember to take me home.